Why do some people sneeze when they see bright sun? Me walk outside, dig sun hit face. I squint like scared mouse. Sudden tickle in nerves. Achoo come out fast like angry volcano. Why news go wild from sun? Brain and nose play secret game. Light jump, and I send fast message to brain. Brain get confused, think nose need clean. Brain press sneeze button by mistake. Nose say yes, Boston make big sneeze. Not all people have this sun sneeze magic. It run in family like funny laugh or curly hair. Old wise ones call it phonic sneeze reflex. Sun not dirty, but brain mix up signals. Like when you hear bell and want cookie, or see water and feel need pee. New learning some animals sneeze at sun too. Sneeze help clear nose for better smell or breathing. So next time sun make you achoo. Smile, you have special sun power. Lesson brain sometimes silly, but always trying to help.